Hello, we at Craft Unique are very proud to introduce our newest machine, the Craftbot XL. As you can see, it's much bigger. Why did we build the XL? Because of demand, especially from our most avid users, anywhere from schools to engineers to prototypers to architects. Some people demanded a bigger print volume. The new print volume of the XL is 20 by 30 by 44 centimeters, or roughly 12 by 8 by 17 inches. We have a new set of nozzles that comes with the machine. We have 4 new nozzles, 0.25, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8 millimeters. And with the smallest nozzle, the 0.25, you can actually print 50 microns per layer. Another thing I like to point out with the machine are the new linear rails. In our original Craftbot, we had a rod and bearing system, and for the bigger size, with all of our tests, we found that we had more precision and less noise when we used the rail system. Let's discuss the LCD in the Craftbot XL. It's the same great touchscreen LCD as in our other models. There's 3 new options in the Craftbot XL and all of our models with the firmware, and they're very important. I'd like to discuss those now, and that is the temperature, speed, and stop-start option that you can use in the middle of a print. And that is something very special in the industry, being able to go in the middle of the print and change things like that. And you can find that in all of our new firmwares for all of our printers. I will talk specifically about the print pause and resume function. If there's a case where you want to change the filament, you can just pause it, change the filament, and start right back up. Or if there's an emergency, or if you have an appointment, or whatever the case may be, with the Craftbot you can actually stop the print and start it at a later point in time. If there's a power outage, say all the power goes out and you normally lose your whole print and all the hours of work you put into it. With the Craftbot, the machine actually remembers the exact point where the power outage happened, and you can resume at a later time. And you can save a lot of hours by doing this. We have a lot of the same great options that have been available in our award-winning printers in the past. To discuss some of those, the value of the Craftbot XL, there's really nothing in the industry where you're going to find something of this quality in this price range. It has a very easy setup. It has the same plug and play. It has reliability, and it has the durability with the all-steel frame found in all of our Craftbot machines. You have the same removable, heatable build plate, which is something that basically I think you have to have on a 3D printer nowadays. And another new option that we have is a built-in counter, or what we like to call a 3D printer odometer. And what that does is, for all you stat people out there, is it actually keeps a record of how many printing hours you've actually put into your printer. We have the same craftware that we've always had. We update it all the time, and you can download it from our website. And it is a leader in speed and visual splendor in the industry. And if you ever have a problem or any question whatsoever, feel free to contact our customer service, because everybody there is a 3D printing expert and a Craftbot user themselves, and they will get you a quick reply. So that's just about it with our Craftbot XL 3D printer, and I thank you very much for watching.